It's time to clean the house now, a whole house clean, and I'm going to be honest with you, I have no clue how dirty or clean the house will be today, simply because it was a weird week. At one point, Mom went away for the week, well, for most of the week, like Wednesday, and usually that means her dog will come over. But instead, this time, her dog stayed at her house, and even when she did come over, she wanted to go back over to her house, and it's usually the dog that brings over a whole lot of hair. Then I also cleaned my kitchen, well, didn't just clean my kitchen, but cleaned my appliances. That video should come out soon. I've been battling ants, so there was a lot of wiping down surfaces there. So, I don't know, and it turned cold, and so cold didn't make me want to go and do anything. So, no clue. Now, if you're interested in some of the products that I use, those are listed down below. This could be a really easy clean, or this might be way dirtier than what I think it is. And I don't know. We won't know until we get started. But let's get started and get the whole house clean. the house is all clean. As I expected, the things which I didn't think would be dirty weren't dirty. The kitchen, which I thought that floor would be dirty, was really dirty. I mean, like, really dirty. But that's to be expected when you clean out your oven and your refrigerator in the same day, week, whatever. Yeah, so it wasn't that bad to clean it, and I love doing these weekly cleanings so that way it's never bad. Never ever bad. I love that. I don't expect it to stay that way because right now as I speak the window is open, so that means I'll probably be getting dust soon and those fun things. But right now, that's okay. We can live with it. I hope you enjoyed that. If this is your first time here, remember to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. Don't forget, down in the description are links to some of the products that I use. There are links to some of the videos that I use, the products of, like the sprays that I use and those sort of things. It's really cool to check those out, or you could also check out these videos that I picked out just for you, or you can just stick on this continuous playlist. It continuously plays. Alright, let's get on to the next video.